Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to change the sound for chat notifications on Messenger. If you've ever wanted a unique tone to know instantly when someone messages you, this guide will show you exactly how to set it up. It only takes a couple of minutes, and once you've done it, your notifications will sound exactly the way you want. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the settings on your phone. From your home screen, look for the settings icon and tap on it. This is where all the main controls for your apps and notifications are located. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you every application installed on your phone. From this list, find and select Messenger. We're focusing specifically on customizing its notification sound, so this is the app you'll need to adjust. Once you've opened Messenger's settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you manage how Messenger alerts you, whether it's for calls, messages, or other types of activity. For changing the chat notification sound, we'll go one layer deeper. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This breaks Messenger notifications into different groups. Look for the one labeled Chats. Go ahead and tap on that option. Inside the Chats notification settings, you'll see an option called Sound. This is exactly where the customization happens. Tap on Sound, and your phone will bring up a list of tones to choose from. You can scroll through different ringtones, notification sounds, or even use a custom sound that you've already saved on your device. Choose the tone that you prefer, something that stands out to you, so you'll always know when a new chat message comes in. Once selected, the system will save your choice automatically, and your Messenger chat notifications will now play that tone. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've fully personalized your Messenger chat sound. Thanks for watching.